Hello, welcome back to Anime Date Night. I am Corbin.
Madison.
And thank you so much for hanging out with us today. We're back with Kaguya-Sama. Love is war, man. Just this absolutely beautiful dance we do. Circles and circles, but never quite reaching the center, you know?
But in this context, Corbin doesn't mind.
No, it's poetic and I love it. This beautiful rom-com that we're dealing with.
It's really funny.
I know, because you have something that's so strictly like plot-filled like ReZero, and I'm taking shots at ReZero at every opportunity that I can because I truly feel like it's earned it. But I know we have something that's so plot-heavy that I can't like follow with like ReZero, but then I have something that's, you know,
I think the vignette style helps.
I think so too.
I think it's the vignette style. Like it's deliberate, you know?
It tickles my brain rather than irks it. And listen, it's up to my absolute whims and fancy.
Sure.
That's just kind of how it is.
Big thank you to everyone who reminded us about the outgoing or the outros. Sometimes they'll have like one-offs that are, you know, goofy or like
Fujiwara dances.
So that was really cute.
I loved that.
And I don't know. I'm really curious to see how this like student council is going to continue because they've been kind of like pulling more and more people in, like the finance treasurer dude comes in now. We met old boy's sister.
And so a little bit of a growing cast of characters.
Yeah, so I'm curious, like, what is this story got going that we've heard season 1 is the weakest, slowest season. But I feel like the story is just kind of moseying, but in a wonderful way, like in a scenic ride kind of mosey.
I think because it's like each episode is only like, you know, 5 minutes long, or each vignette is only like 5 or so minutes long. It makes sense that it starts small, and as it kind of slowly spins out, you get some people introduced, but with like standard tropes that kind of, the point isn't moving the plot forward, you know? It's just kind of
journey.
This dance. But it does have to go somewhere, otherwise you get bored.
That's fair.
So that's kind of a delicate dance, but it does it so well. Big
apologies if you see the peep of a snoot. We have a Cheeto bug here requesting an early DINNER. He will not be receiving it.
Send a comment if you want him to get an early den. Thumbs up if he doesn't get den until later.
I think I'm good to go.
Yeah, man. Let's go around again. Damn. Stormy as hell.
What? Put on headphones.
This is gonna be a team effort here, y'all. Come on, don't overcomplicate this. You got this. You got this.
Baby, you're not going for a ride. You're in the car.
I feel so bad. I know you're gonna fuck it up. I know you're gonna fuck it up. Something so simple.
Oh, 100%.
I love it so much. Just give him a ride home. Just give him a ride home. Just give him a ride home.
Now he knows he can order a taxi.
Okay. Are you gonna take it home with Fujiwara? Is Fujiwara getting in the
driving? Are you gonna share the taxi?
That's foul. That's foul. Okay. You bought yourself 10 seconds. How are you gonna use it?
I heard a thank you too.
Got him. Is it worth it? Got stumbling. Yeah, man.
That's his entire shift.
There's another alternative. What are you gonna do? Yo! I love that. This bitch is prepared. How is she exactly? She has to unplug. Jesus.
You could have just offered him a ride, babe. So you would have seemed very magnanimous.
Your opportunity is shrinking, bro. I just need to wait here. So close, but no. Call her out! You can walk, lady.
And ride in the rain. So be it.
Screaming all the while, my man.
Well, she left without giving him a chance to ask, without making the offer.
Listen, if she spins this right. Oh my god.
Not the copper tone variety.
I
don't know this game. You're gonna play a game to decide how you're gonna play the game. Okay.
なんかこれ数字みたいに見えるんだがイカサマトランプじゃねえかマジじゃないですか藤原先輩成功補足
See, this is why I want to play games with her. This is like the second time.
She's president of the, what was it, the board games club?
Right.
She learned a thing or two at the, after meeting of the board games club, huh? You'd be sharing their secrets.
前半戦腐っても秀才たち白金獲得10藤原獲得8石上獲得10残り枚数24
これで石上会計とタイだな
会長
Bruh.
さすが皆さん
He's really just shooting all the way for the home run. It's like,
Please
could you
wipe my front?
Let's start with hey.
I'm not kink shaming. If you're both consenting, that's between
Let's start
you
with wipe my brow with a damp cloth.
But
before
oh
we
my
go
god,
all the way in.
You couldn't have said like, rub my shoulders or give me a cold compress, bitch.
We could have started with chicken noodle soup, but we're
No, we
going
started with the goddamn
all
copper
the way.
tone. Is where we started.
少し難易度上げますよ
場所移動
やばい記憶が飛ぶ
場所移動戦法により藤原初期は順調にポイントを伸ばし
このままでは甘えん坊篠宮を見ることができない
お土産は何を持っていきましょうこんな機会めったにないです
I almost wonder if Fujiwara is sapphic, because she's really excited about, like, she's cheating to get the fucking ability to go to her house.
I don't get like a sexual vibe from Fujiwara. I get
Neither do I normally, but I'm just like, I need to think of a reason this would make sense. And maybe romantic interest is.
I get strong like pixie girl vibes, you know?
No.
You don't get that?
I don't know what you mean.
Just what's the word, like lightheaded but not dumb.
This is just such a dumb thing to like cheat and get worked up about. I'm more worked up about the lying at your mama than I am about the fucking game.
I'm worried about this dude, like, as soon as the first time I help a sick classmate, I'm gonna help her, like, bathe or whatever the fuck. Like, bro, you're gonna start with a chicken noodle soup like everybody else and work your way up from there. Slowly,
Listen,
bro.
if she's got congestion, get her a spicy ramen. It's great.
Yo, if she's at that point, she's gonna get a nurse or something. Like, damn. You can find better help than your fucking classmate.
あいつ車で帰ったろたまたま見かけただけなんで校門の前で立っていて誰か待って
He's about to tell him you're the one that splashed him.
Was I the one who got her sick?
確証もない。ろくでもないことばかり考えてバカか俺は。だとしたら見舞いに行かなきゃならんのは俺だろう。
13。違いました。
I'm glad this game did not need any introduction because I've been able to follow it flawlessly since it started.
なるほどな。もらったもらったもらった
Check.
You and I when our hands are full of spades.
怒涛の追い上げでしたね。
いやまあ種さえ分かればこんなもんだろう。柄が対象ではないという特徴がある。だからこういう使い方ができるんだ。
What?
そうか、時計の時刻。
トランプを置く角度で1から12までの数字を表すことができる。だから13のカードの扱いに困って藤原主家は遠くに置きたかった。場所移動戦術もそれを隠すための行動だな。
Like I said, they be teaching all the wrong kinds of shit. You know what they don't teach at the fucking board games club? Ethics, sportsmanship,
Well, now you're gonna
genuine competitiveness. They'll teach you every other goddamn thing at the board game club.
これだからアナログゲーマーは浅はか。
Just goes to show you exactly how predictable a PC gamer will be.
I cannot.
The analog games aren't even got good graphics.
やばい。ちょっっと緊張してきた。
You nervous, bro? You wanted
土
this.
産って何持っていけばいいんだ。
Ramen.
Bro, literally soup.
詰め食べたいよ、早さが。はいはい。
お見舞い編その2へ続く。
Just failure across the board.
We're getting some genuine human improvisation though.
これが噂の篠宮別邸。お土産に飲み物やゼリーは失敗だったかもしれん。
私、かぐや様のお世話係を務めさせていただいております。すみしえはさかと申します。
おお、メイドさんだ。
かぐや様。客人がお見えです。こら、何してるんですか、かぐや様。
だって見つからないんだもん。花火。早坂も花火一緒にするでしょ。
しません。風邪を治すのが先決です。それよりもお客様がお見えですよ。
Let's see how she changes. Wait for it, wait for it. Got him!
どうして会長がいるの？今日からうちに住むの？聞いてない！
すまないすまないから。
What?
これって一体。
ジークムント・ロイト曰く、人間の行動は欲望、意図と
I'm sorry, what?
されるそうです。
What? You lost me at Sigmund Freud. I'm not gonna lie.
エゴの源である思考力が何らかの理由によって失われたとすれ
Great googly boogly. I wasn't ready for Sigmund Freud to be coming into this, but hey, here he is.
普段から脳をフル回転させてる人ほどこういう時反動が大きいんですよね。一見起きているように見えますが実際は夢の中みたいなものです。元気になったら病気の時の記憶なんてきれいさっぱり残らないのですよ。さて、私はそろそろ仕事に戻らないと。
What will you do, bro? I thought you was a moral kind of stand-up kind of fella.
Well, now you have a chance to say some things and see how she'll respond without
いいですか？
remembering.
この部屋には3時間ほど誰も絶対に入りませんが。
You have a very fixed window of opportunity, bro. Don't fuck it up.
この部屋を防音完璧
Okay, go a little far.
記憶は残りませんので。
Okay.
何してるの？
maybe just leave it open just to crack. Maybe just leave it open just to crack.
そんなことしちゃダメですよ。
I mean, maybe just leave the door open just to open a crack. Nope. You got 3 hours, bro. Clock's ticking.
It locks from the outside.
Dog! Like, yo. Maybe have just a little bit more hands on.
篠宮にいろいろ飲み物を買ってきたんだが。
花火？
いや、花火じゃない。正直なところ、あんしたりとか、
Filthy.
横島の期待もあったが、この機に乗じれば、篠宮の本心や弱みを聞き出せるかもしれん。もしかして俺のせいで風邪ひいたのか。俺を送ってくれるつもりだったんじゃないか。
会長、怒ってる？私、いつも会長を困らせてる。初めてのことばかりだから、わからないの。 私が知ってるやり方しかできない。やり方を知らない。こういう風にしかできないの。から今日はね、一緒に寝よう。
いや、シノビや。
Bro, I bet you she's not even like in a fever dream. I bet you she's fucking acting, but she can like fall on the excuse if I was in a fever dream. I really gotta say that maid could have left it open just a crack.
You could have said less too.
Could have said just a little bit less. Could have left it open a crack. Just left that door open a crack. Nope. Three hours.
結構長い間寝てたんじゃ。
I'm just loving this sound.
会長、なんで私のベッドに入ってるんですか？ベッドに潜り込む男がいました。信じられない。
Also, it's not soundproofed. She's been listening the entire time.
Oh, yo!
She lied. You took a nap, baby.
Hayasaka, we might have to have a conversation, Hayasaka, because you were behind.
ドキドキお見舞い編カン。
まあ白かな。
Oh, you really were not looking out for her, bro. What the fuck?
The fact
I hate that. Yo.
The fact they inspected it with a magnifying glass.
Like she was ready to start looking for some shit. Like she was ready to look for the evidence. Yo, what the fuck? Leave that door open just a crack. What the fuck? Yo, I got questions. I don't think you want Hayasaka around you. I don't want Hayasaka looking at my back, bro.
We don't trust her. She's not gonna watch our sex.
Absolutely not.
Hayasaka's not watching your drink while you go to the bathroom.
Yo.
She's not gonna like talk you out of. She's not gonna talk you out of leaving with this guy who's been loading you up with drinks all night.
And like, I get trying to like break your girl out of a shell, but like, damn, there's a way to go about that.
She was clearly lying on the soundproofed side, and I think she enjoys fucking with the boss a little bit. She knows what happened. She was listening the entire time. She just likes fucking with her.
Man,
I know nothing happened. You are fine, but man, your anxiety makes me giggle. You're normally so put together that something innocuous as a fully dressed nap has you in all kinds of a tizzy. And this is funny as fuck to someone who, like, for someone who's so normally so composed. You are gagged over a nap, honey bun. Carnage.
インド神話でアシュラと帝釈天が争った場所を指すが、現在においては主に2つの意味で使われる。締め切りギリギリの状況。そしてもう一つは人間トラブルの現場である。僕のせいだ。僕さえ食べなければ。状況を説明するには。
Did he fucking eat one of their pieces of cake and now they have to like?
意識が朦朧としたかぐやによってベッドに引きずり込まれた白金。結果的に数時間添い寝をしただけに過ぎないが、かぐやから見れば風で弱っているところにつけ込まれ同金まで至ったのだ。多少のおいたをされたので。
Yo, talk to your girl, man.
もしされていないなら。
That's a hell of a last security.
だが白金にすれば言いがかりもいいところである。自分からベッドに引きずり込んでおき、疑惑の視線を向ける篠宮に若干の憤りを覚えるのは当然の感情。
I'm kind of on his side.
I feel it ratcheting up. We just went up a degree, okay?
Sexual tension.
I didn't think we were gonna like level up, but we just did.
どうしたんですこれ？校長からの差し入れだ。ん？ケーキこんだけ？
It was supposed to be for them too.
気にせず食え石神。俺の分はなくていい。
会長が食べてください。
いいって篠宮が食べろ。
いやいや会長こそ。
Who's gonna eat the cake? Oh no!
Fujiwara's gonna come through and take it.
こういうの女子好きだろ遠慮するなって。いい加減皿持ってるのもだるくなってきたんだが。お前の高尚なやつだ。
Going to OT. Dog. Oh no.
にも限度があります。
でもそれは昔篠宮が言ってたからだろ。篠宮って趣味とかあんの？なんか好きなものでもないのかなって。
ショートケーキ。
He remembers.
あの顔めっちゃ印象深いから。
鼻頭がかゆいので書きますけど、気にしないでくださいね。
This cake's going on the table. You're gonna take the cake.
She's embarrassed that he remembers.
それを言うんだったら、私だって主張がありますよ。
Oh shit, what you got?
クリスマス何して過ごすんですか？
特別祝ったりしないし、クリスマスケーキなんて食ったこともない。別に羨ましくもないけどさ。
私はその話を聞いてちょっと悲しく
It's not a strong shot, I'm not gonna lie.
今まで食べられなかった分、ケーキいっぱい食べてほしい。
He kinda has a stronger claim.
このままでは拉致が開きません。会長が食べたら私も食べます。
そっちが食ったら俺も食う。
じゃあ同時ならいいでしょ。
They're feeding each other?
Okay. Come on, perfect moment, perfect moment.
Fujiwara's gonna walk in. Oh, he got it!
仲良し警察です。喧嘩する悪い子ここですか？
Fujiwara! No! She a cake thief, man. Yeah, they both lost that. That sucks.
The fucking teacher ate the rest of the cake.
恋愛相談ですか？恋愛というより喧嘩した異性と仲直りするいい方法と
You
か。
apologize.
僕に恋愛相談って。まあ、恋愛相談っていうか、喧嘩した異性との仲直りの仕方について語りたいというか。
それで篠宮さん、相手の方とはなぜ喧嘩になってしまったんですか？友達の女の子が風邪をひいてしまって、とある男子がお見舞いに来てくれたんです。添い寝って言うんですか？
Shut
気
up.
がついたら
They took a
女の
nap.
子がベッドの中にいて。それはいけません。ハレンチです。けだものです。女の子が弱っている時こそ男の方がモラルを持って行動しないといけません
And
よ。
to my dude's credit, he did not.
その男の子にモラルがないのよね。
はあ、なんすかそのクソ女。クソオブクソじゃないですか。モラルってのがないんですかね。絶対めんどくさいですよその女。ラブコメだと黒髪貧乳にありがちなタイプです。ティピカルですよ。ティピカル。
Damn, dog. It's rough, bro.
その女絶対ドインランですよ。
Just keep going on, bro. Tell me how you really feel.
どうせその男が
My dude still got more to say. Yeah, for real. Hit the brakes, Ishigami. Damn. Pump the fucking brakes, bro.
You know what he was about to say!
Bro, he was about to send a link. I got a blog on this shit, dog. You want to know the truth?
Drop your pin! Drop your pin!
Use promo code BRO for 20% off my male testosterone supplement or some damn shit. God. Pump the brakes, Ishigami.
でもその件は一応お互いに謝ったので決着してるんです。その後男の子はあまりに普通に接してきて、まるで何事もなかったかのように。こっちはいろんなことでやきもきしてるのに向こうは何も思わないなんて。そもそも同金までしたんですから、男の人は責任取って告白の一つでもしてくるべきです。あまりにも
Nothing less than complete submission. No other condition will
お
suffice.
互い謝ったんですよね。だったらその話はそこでおしまい。何引きずっとんねんって話ですよ。
声を。
I don't know about dragging it out. Like, you can still be irritated after the apology has been exchanged. Sometimes you just need to, like, decompress from the residuals. And that might take a couple days. But also, like, once you apologize, if you say that you accept the apology, then we should really keep it pushing.
Mm-hmm.
If it's still bothering you, use your words. Tell me that, you know, like, you thought it was okay. Don't just be passive-aggressive about it. Don't be weird.
僕から言ってやりましょうか。そのバカ女にビシッと。
I'll tell her what time it is. Oh shit. I hope he doesn't clean her clock. God damn.
思ってませんし。じゃあ何に怒っているんですか？
That's such a hard threat. Like, damn, I'll tell her what time it is.
少
Yo.
しくらい何かしてほしかったなんて。
男が女の全てを理解しようとするのがそもそも傲慢なのかもしれません。結局ほとぼりが冷めるのを待った方がいいんですよ。男側にやましいことがないなら別に謝る必要もないですって。
やましいことか。篠宮、お前に言わなきゃならないことがある。俺は篠宮に指一本触れてないと言った。 本当は指一本だけ触れた。
I laid a finger on you. Where did you lay that finger, bro?
Did I touch your hand?
唇。
Oh, so
Have your
kawaii!
thumb across your lips, maybe?
人差し指でツンと。
Maybe just give him a little tap. Not any weird sense? I don't know, bro. What kind of that train has left the station, but it's kind of cute.
お返しです。
Oh!
Nicely done.
Oh!
That was a baller move. She wins that one.
私たち明日からは
Back to the battlefield. Oh, you can hold
That
on to
was
that one.
baller. That was baller.
You can hold on to that one, Shinomiya.
That
for
was
sure.
hard.
Oh, kawaii. She got new life.
She's touched his
本
face.
日の勝敗両者勝利。
Aw.
生徒総会お疲れ。
明日から夏
篠宮は何か予定立ててたりするのか。
休み。少し買い物に行くくらいですかね。
なんかしたいよな。
なんかしたいですね。
Oh,
なあ、
藤原さん。
we're almost
夏
there.
休みの予定。
山。
海。
一度は論じられたものの結局ペンディングになっていた旅行問題。今この瞬間にかかってい
Such a
た。
perfect opportunity for something.
やっぱり夏はパーッと羽を広げたいもんだよな。
そうですね。やっぱり夏は普段できないことをしたいですものね。
やっぱ都会の喧騒から解放される時間ってのは必要だよな。
はい。私も
これはいける。
ハワイに行ってきますよ。
Okay.
Yeah, it's only a few hour flight from Japan to Hawaii.
But he didn't have to like that. Ben's a hardworking man from the working class.
Oh no, I'm saying like I think she was already. I think she has that planned.
かぐやも
What's in her head? What's in her head?
重要性は理解している。だがかぐやと藤原の付き合いは長く、藤原が思い通りに動くなどまずないことも理解してい
She
る。
is chaos.
ならばこそ
She is chaotic good, but she is strong chaotic.
心。
呼吸楽しい。
Breathing is fun.
ダメだ。篠宮に覇気を一切感じない。
一度くらいは何か思い出作りしたいですよね。
石神。
僕は1年ですけど、会長は2年。会長とゆっくり遊べるのは今年だけかもしれませんから。
Are you gonna do Ishigami? What do you got?
そうだよな。別に
Yeah, when you're a lower classman and your friends are upperclassmen, that overlap is a narrow
そういう
window.
夏もありだよな。行こうぜ石神。
Don't forget the bros,
夏の終
bro.
わりには
Right.
大きな祭りがある。たこ焼きくらいな
You
ら
can make plans with more than just, romantic interests.
いいですよね。
Fush, yo,
射的。
you really
This
fucking
lady.
shit up.
花火。
This is why she's chaos.
She is such chaos.
祭りは8月24日だったな。
ダメです。そのあたりトンネル祭りでスペインでした。まさか行っちゃうんですか？
Killer festival in hell.
私だけのけ者にしてみんなで
You're going to Spain without me.
Bro.
You're going to Hawaii without me.
普通に行きます。
Thank you.
藤原先輩もトマト祭りじゃないですか。そっちは楽しん
Bro,
でくる。
Ishikawa here with straight up facts. I love this.
I fucks with him speaking them facts.
Sorry, Fujiwara. You're
Girl, go cry with your $100 bill.
That sounds exactly like you.
It does.
I hope you are mildly inconvenienced by burning your tongue on a takoyaki.
I hope you stub your toe on the next sharp object you walk next to.
Uh-huh.
僕も帰ります。
You were right.
いや石神。
今日は正しいです。
本日の勝敗藤原以外勝利。
Except for Fujiwara.
So, enjoy your swimsuit. Who gives a fuck if it's padded?
This show is just so fun. I really do enjoy it.
No, I'm here for it.
Something I was thinking about earlier, and I don't know if this is in any way correlated, but this show is really good for short attention spans.
Yeah.
It's really good for the short attention span because each vignette is like a contained little arc.
It's a strong hook and it keeps you going.
Yeah. I appreciate that.
I'm enjoying the longevity, because time is moving forward.
And we're advancing.
The
And we're
plot-
inching along.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm surprised that this premise is able to do that. So props to the show for writing the story so well to level up the intensity right there at the end. Like, shit.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, man.
So
this is a good one.
We're really enjoying this show. If you can't tell, excuse me. We are also watching ReZero. We have pivoted back to Code Geass after quite a hiatus.
Quite the hiatus for Code Geass.
And we have such a great mix. Apothecary Diaries is coming back in just a few weeks. Dan to Dan is wrapping up here shortly.
I know.
So many good shows. Really looking forward to it. Anything else?
Dope. No, I think that's where we're at.
Well, good goddamn. All right. I think that's it.
That's it. Catch you on the next one.
Bye, y'all.